Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and software. Charge the Jio 360 VR headset to at least 50% and install the Jio 360 VR app on your phone. Connect the phone to the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use and enable Bluetooth so the headset and app can pair. Once done, open the app and follow the initial pairing prompt. This creates a secure link and lets the app push firmware updates. Make sure to accept permissions so video and audio streaming work correctly. You now pair and calibrate. In the app, choose Pair New Device and accept the Bluetooth PIN if shown. This authenticates the connection. Next, calibrate tracking by slowly rotating in place while the headset scans the room. This optimizes positional tracking. Adjust the interpupillary distance, IPT, on the headset for a clear image and position the straps for comfort. Then select a 360 video or live stream in the app. Choose streaming quality based on Wi-Fi bandwidth, so playback remains. You finish by confirming comfort and controls. Ensure the headset fits snugly, audio levels are correct, and controller buttons respond. If you encounter lag or stuttering, reduce stream quality in the app or restart the router and app. Intermittent Bluetooth can require re-pairing. If tracking drifts, rerun the calibration or update headset firmware. Updates often resolve bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, factory reset the headset after backing up account settings, then repair to clear persistent software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.